Hi, today I made a robot arm by using the Unity engine. First, to understand how Unity engines work, I built a simple version of the robot arm by myself to understand each part of the structure, such as these base joints, arm segments, and grippers over here. Then I created a more refined version through Claude MCP. I connected to a Claude to make it look more like a product that a customer could actually be interested in. So I adjusted the floor over here, the background, and the lighting so that the robot arm itself could stand out more clearly. Also, I added animations that are moved by mouse actions. So let me see. Alright, so if I click on left button and move, these joints move like this. And the right one moves like this part over here. And there are also scroll movements over here. It's radical, isn't it? Lastly, by tapping the spacebar, the gripper is activated. After finishing the two robot arm versions, I uploaded both assets to Unity Asset Manager to test the cloud-based asset management process. So, like this, I added all the assets over here at Asset Manager. Well, actually, I had a hard time linking Claude and Unity. I'll tell you why. First, you have to go to Edit over here, and then click on the project settings over here. It's the last one. Then you have to click on AI. It's automatically clicked. And then click Unity MCP server over here. The most important part is the Unity bridge. The status needs to be in running status. If it is stopped, click on start. It's as simple as that. And I'm not sure if this is the proper way, but I went all the way down to expand the integration section and then activated the Claude code. After that, I moved back on and I expanded the other connections. This is the part where I got lost because actually you have to pay to use Unity MCP AI. I didn't know this, so I had no idea why it didn't work. If you don't pay the Unity, there's a special warning over here and tell you why it is rejected. I didn't, well, it's my mistake, but I didn't read the error why it's not working. But to use the Unity MCP server, you have to activate this AI part. So this one over here. I'll just close this. I have 1,000 credits because I paid, but there's another way. If you're new to Unity, there's a 14-day trial over here, and this works fine as well. I used this 14-day free trial to use the MCP server. After I used this free trial, it activated well. So back to project settings, and if it is properly connected by clicking on allow, it will turn green, and you can know that you are linked in Claude with Unity. Thank you for watching.